Meaning of certain. Certain is an adjective that means 1. Sure or confident about something. 2. Specific but not named or clearly identified. 3. Some, but not all. 10 daily use example sentences. 1. I'm certain he will come. Equals sure. 2. She is certain about her decision. 3. Certain people didn't get the message. Equals some. 4. I can't say for certain what happened. 5. There are certain rules you must follow. 6. He left at a certain time but didn't say when. 7. I'm not certain how to solve this. 8. We need to be certain before we act. 9. Only certain students were selected. 10. She felt a certain sadness in her heart.